There are seasons in life when something happens, maybe unexpectedly, and it rattles your confidence. A job loss, a relationship ending, a health scare, or just a slow stretch of time when nothing feels certain anymore. And when that happens, it's easy to start doubting yourself, who you are, what you're capable of, whether you'll bounce back. I know that feeling. When confidence feels like something you used to have, but now you're not so sure. What makes it harder is how tough we can be on ourselves during these times. We replay what went wrong. We question every choice. We compare ourselves to others who seem more together. And, the voice in our head becomes our harshest critic. But at some point, we have to interrupt that pattern. We have to find a way to step outside the spiral of doubt. Not because it's easy, but because staying stuck there isn't who we are. Here's what I'm learning. Confidence doesn't always return in one big moment. Sometimes it comes back in quiet ways. It shows up when you try again, when you speak up even though you're nervous, when you learn something new just because you're curious, when you remind yourself, I may be bruised, but I'm not broken. Rebuilding confidence takes time. And, grace. And a willingness to believe that you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. If you're in that rebuilding season, know this. You're not alone. You didn't lose your strength. It's been with you all along. Quiet, waiting, steady. And now, you're ready to use it differently. If this spoke to you, I hope you'll subscribe and join me on this journey of discovery, growth, and becoming.